in the last lecture we have done combination of n things if some are identical. Okay, so we have done that problem by using direct method. Okay, that method I'm generalizing here. Okay, so according to that method, if there are alpha 1 alike thing of one type and alpha 2 alike thing of second type and alpha 3 alike thing of third type and so on, alpha n alike thing of nth type, and apart from this one there are k distinct things. Okay, now from here you want total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of above things. Okay, from here you want total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of above things. Okay, so above things is what? Alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 plus so on plus alpha n plus k distinct things. Okay, so from these things we want 0 or more than 0 things. Okay, then how to find out? Okay, so for finding this one, what you will do? We have to find out total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things from alpha 1 things. Okay, after that you have to multiply, because you want from alpha 2 also, alpha 3 also, and alpha n also, and k also. Okay, so we have to multiply here total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things from alpha 2 things. Okay, again we have to multiply, same thing for alpha 3, and same thing you have to go for alpha n. So alpha n is what? Total way of selecting 0 or more than 0 things from alpha n things. Okay, now you have to multiply this one with, there are k distinct things. Okay, so from here we have to find out total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of k distinct things. Okay, so first we are finding total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things out of alpha 1 things. So total way is what? Alpha 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 is what? We are not selecting anything from alpha 1 into, from selecting alpha 2 what will come? Alpha 2 plus 1 multiply. For alpha 3 what will come? Alpha 3 plus 1, and so on. For alpha n what will come? Alpha n plus 1. Okay, and there are k distinct things. Okay, so selecting 0 things from k distinct is what? Kc 0 plus selecting one thing, how many ways? Kc 1 plus selecting 2 things, Kc 2 plus so on. Selecting k things from k things is Kc k. Okay, so what will come here? Alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1, and so on, alpha n plus 1 into, if you simplify this one, what will come? 2 power k. Okay, so here total ways of selecting 0 or more than 0 things above, from above thing is what? alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1 and so on, alpha n plus 1 into 2 power k. Now here, if you want total ways of selecting at least one thing, that means what? We are selecting one or more than one things. Okay, so what you will do? There are total ways. So total way is what? Alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1 and so on, alpha n plus 1 into 2 power k. From here you have to subtract total way of selecting exactly 0 things. If you want total ways of selecting at least 2 things, then what you will do? So this is what total ways. So from total you have to subtract total ways of selecting exactly 0 things minus selecting exactly one thing. Okay, this is also total ways of selecting exactly one things. Similarly, if you want at least 3 things, then you have to subtract minus selecting exactly 2 things also. Okay, so like that you can do. If you don't understand this one, you see last lecture, in that one we have taken one example for explaining this one. Okay, now we are taking one example. So that example is, find the number of ways in which 3 or more letters can be selected from the letters. So there are 5a, 4b, 3c, 2d and EFG. So there are 3 distinct letters. Okay, so we want to solve this one. Now solution. Okay, so we want to find out here the number of ways in which 3 or more letters can be selected from the letters. Okay, so we want total way of selecting 3 or more than 3 letter. So what you will do? First we have to find out total ways. Okay, from total ways we have to subtract total way of selecting exactly 0 letter minus we have to subtract total ways of selecting exactly 1 letter minus total ways of selecting exactly 2 letters. Okay, so we have to subtract total ways of selecting 0 letters minus total ways of selecting exactly 1 letters minus total ways of selecting 2 letters. Okay, so that we have to find out. So total ways what? So there are 5 A's. So selection of A is what? 5 plus 1 into, there are 4 B. So selection of B is what? 4 plus 1. Okay, there are 3 C. So selection of C is what? 3 plus 1. 2D. So selection of D is what? 2 plus 1. Okay, 1E. So selection of E is what? 1 plus 1. Similarly, selection of F is what? 1 plus 1. And selection of G is what? 1 plus 1. Okay, this we can do directly also because there are 3 distinct letters. So 2 power 3 will come. Here also we will get 2 into 2 into 2. So we will get 2 power 3 minus total ways of selecting exactly 0 letters. So that is 1 way. Okay, minus we have to find out total ways of selecting exactly 1 letters. Okay, so what you will do? So there are, we can select either A or B or C or D or E or F or G. So if you check here, there are 7 distinct letters. So out of 7 distinct letters, we have to select one letter because we want exactly one letters. So how many ways? 7C 1. Okay, minus, we want total ways of selecting exactly 2 letters. Okay, so what are the possibilities? Either we can take what? Both same. Okay, or we can take what? Both different. Okay, so this is what? Total ways of selecting exactly 2 letters. Okay, so both same. Both same is what? Either both are A or both are B or both are C or both are D. So how many possibilities? There are 4 possibilities. So out of 4 possibilities, we have to take 1. So 4C 1. Okay, so 4C 1 ways we can get both same letters, plus next is what? Both are different. Okay, so if you check here, there are 7 different letters. Out of 7 letters, we want 2 letters. So how many ways? 7C 2. Okay, so from here we have to subtract what? Minus 4C1 plus 7C2. 4C1 plus 7C2. So if you subtract this one, we will get total ways of selecting 3 or more than 3 letters. Okay,